What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Cameraman from Skibidi Toilet today. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we'll start with the head. He's kind of looking off to the right hand side. So where to begin? So we'll go with the hood that's like over his camera. So if you want to use a ruler for these, it might help. So we'll go, not completely necessary. I've seen people do it without, but we'll go diagonal first this way. Okay, and then it kind of goes, changes direction there a little bit. And then it comes across the top of his head. And then down like so. And then this comes back in here, right? And kind of has a lip, right? So it like goes around the top again. So this line goes into that corner. And it has a little like lip on top. Like an edge, because it's a piece of metal, you know? And then this will come down the back. It'll go like back here. And you kind of have a little corner there. And then this will go down. And then we'll bring it back and join it up to the first line. So there. So we have another box inside this box, right? So coming down from this side, there, and then it goes in. And then this will go this way. Right? And then across the front. And we have a little corner line. And there's a corner line here as well. And then where the lens is inside is housed inside this section. Okay. So this then has just an angle line there, and then it goes back in underneath the hood. It's like a security camera thing. And I think there's another line going from here and here. And maybe like a little edge just there. Maybe something running that way. Right, so then circles inside and another box actually. So there's another box. So same shape, you just follow the outside, right? It's just kind of smaller. I'm not using the ruler for this because I'm just doing it quick. Kind of goes into here. Might actually just ruler that. Just make it a bit darker. Okay. So lenses inside, right? So you're going for like circles. So basically, if you have a compass or a stencil or something that you could draw circles with, go for it. But if not, try your best to get a circle shape. You could use a cup or anything that was the right size that would fit inside here. Okay, and then it's like a bullseye, so there's like another circle there, and this has circles going around as well. Like so. Right, so then he has a box that's attaching the camera to the neck. So it just comes under here. so. And then the longer sort of part of his neck comes down into his shirt, just down here somewhere. Pretty long down to there. Just tidy up some of these lines, I think. Oops. Or make them worse. Okay, right, so then the collar of his shirt comes out around his neck, like so. Same on this side. And then they meet in the middle and go down to these angles, you know, for a white suit jacket sort of shirt there. And then this so comes out the other side, down, and then down this way. The tie comes down here then. Lots of different versions of this guy. I've seen him like with 2 cameras and like another camera here and stuff. Lots of different types. So then his jacket goes that way and then down this way, and then the rest of the tie just goes diagonal down here, like a sort of a faux line there on the tie helps. And then his jacket and shoulder, it comes out here, wider on this side because he's kind of turned away. It's 3/4 pose, so like from the center of the tie to the shoulder here is probably like half the size of this shoulder. 3/4 pose, so like this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay, so then the shoulder on this side goes down like that, right? So you see now, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1/4 is missing because it's turned away. It's like a perspective trick. So then his lapel here comes down this way. Same on this side. And then some lines just for like his armpit and his body and stuff. The jacket. Like suit jacket lines in his arm. Like that. That's it. Cameraman. Skibidi Toilet. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.